Good afternoon, folks. I just received through a set of the soft B36 tyres, which I've stuck onto my Fayee. What I want to see is, has it improved the grip, and will it allow me to climb a bit better? The bit that I struggled with was here. Good, I made it up that time. Now at the moment the tyres are not glued. I've only just put them on, there's no fuel weights being added. What I like about the Fayee is the extremely low speed control that you have with it. I would dearly love to be able to get out and go to the park and give this a good test. Oops, there's my way. But I can't do anything at the moment. Hello? Hello? That's alright, don't worry. The vehicle access to the park that I usually drive in has been ended just now, unless you are a blue badge holder or someone that actually lives within the park. So I am really restricted as to where I can test my vehicles out. So I'm just having to make do with here at the moment. Personally, I think the Fayee looks a lot better using the B36. She's curious. Black labs tend to be like that though. this is basically completely stock. The only thing that's been changed is I did away with the 5-wire servo and replaced it with a WPL 3-wire servo. This Fayee board does have attachments for both 3-wire and 5-wire servos, so it makes a big difference. As you can see, the low speed control here is just absolutely amazing. I would say that the B36 soft tyres have made a big difference to its climbing ability. I just wish you could do something with the steering angle, but with it being a leaf sprung truck, you're really limited the amount of throw that you can build into these things. The tyres are glued, I haven't laid with any of them yet. And debating whether to add wheel weights to this or not, because I don't have a high centre of gravity with this really, that's a good thing about it. You know, I'm quite pleased with the way this has turned out. It looks not bad. So, that's my version of Fayee FY004. Personally, I think it looks better that way than with that crazy forward hanging cab. Anyway, that's all for today, folks. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. And I will catch you all again on the next video. Bye for now.